Hello there, this is Dave Allen for the Amazing iPad, and we're going to have a look at an application called iStudies Pro. And it's a handy little application if you're a student who want to get yourself organised. Imagine you've just gone into school and it's the first day back at term and you're going to set yourself up so that this year you're going to really do well. Goodness gracious me. So the first thing you're going to do is to start adding some semesters and courses. So you go to your planner over there, tap on that plus button and you can give your semester a title. And we'll call it the autumn term. It starts on the 11th of September and it ends on the December the 21st. Don't know what day of the week that is, so it could be wrong, but let's say you've been given those dates and you're going to put it in there anyway, so let's click on save. We've got that in there first of all, and then you can start putting holidays in there if you want to as well. Let's click on a plus, Christmas holiday, and the date of that is going to be from the 22nd of December, which is a Saturday. Very good day to start a holiday, isn't it? And it ends on the January 2013 and it ends on the Monday 7th. So you're going to go back to school on the 8th of January. How about that then? And we can click on save and we've got that done. Okay, so next thing to do is to start putting some classes in there. So you're going to have to click on this plus icon down the button here and you've got a new class or exam to put in there. Hang on, we didn't add any courses. Back into this again. So here we are on semesters. We've got our autumn term in there. And we click on that there, tap on that there, and we can start putting some courses in there. So the first course that you're going to be studying is health and safety. Very important that. We're going to add a class, it's a regular class, so it's going to repeat every week. And in this here you can say what sort of details it's going to be. So it's from the dates in that whole of the term, it's going to start at a particular time of the day. And we'll say that it's going to start at 10 o'clock in the morning. Well, according to this, the duration of classes is 1 hour. Well, maybe the classes aren't 1 hour, so maybe you want to change that. So let's just save this for the moment, and then we'll go into the settings and see what we can do about that. Okay, so in the planner, the class duration, well, the class duration is actually only 50 minutes per class. So we've got that set up. Now we can go back into our setting up our schedule and our classes as we see fit. And you've got another few things that you can set up in your calendar, but we'll have a look at those in another video. Let's click on close on that one there. Go back into the planner again to our autumn term and we're going to add another class. Click on the plus button again and maybe you're going to learn about cooking. And the class is a regular class. You're going to be taking it Mondays, not on Tuesdays, and you're going to have it on Thursdays as well. You can put a location in there if you want to. It's going to be in building number 1, kitchen. Okay, well I've saved that. And you can even put your instructors in there. So if you put your instructors in there already, let's put that one there for Adam Spencer. That'll do. Back to the class again. And it's going to repeat every week. There are other things you can make changes on there if you want to. So it could repeat every day. It could be repeating every working day. But we'll do it so that it could be every week or every other week or every 3 weeks. So there's lots of different things you can do to set up your class on this here so that you can have it just right. And we'll click on save. By the way, this thing here it says about a birthday, that is because it will also link up to whatever you got into your calendar application on your iPad. It's useful to know these things because you don't want to sort of be setting up to do a project on such and such a night and find there's a party on and you don't really want to do work when it's party time, do you? So you can see from our week view of this here, we've got Monday's cooking class set up there. We've got a health and safety on a Tuesday at 10 o'clock and we've got a cooking class there at 9 o'clock. I think what I need to do is to go back into the planner again. We'll go into the cooking course and we'll set the time so that during the daytime. So start of the day, they're going to be at 11 o'clock. As you can see, the end of the class now, it's 50 minutes later at 11:50. Click on save, and we'll save that again. And now you can see that on our calendar, all of our cooking classes are moved to the correct time. If I move to the next week, again, we've got all our stuff set up again for the next lot of classes. So there you go, that's a little bit of a start with getting your iStudies Pro set up. We'll have a look at a few more things with this, but it's a handy little app if you're planning to be completely organised for your studies for this academic year. the cost of this application is not an awful lot, so why not just go out and buy it, and I think you'll get a lot of use out of it. So this is Dave Allen for the amazing iPad website, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you get more videos like this, and also don't forget to click on the like button so that you can tell more YouTube people that these are videos well worth watching. But bye now, talk to you again soon. Be good, and if you can't be good, be careful.